Welcome to Believe, the Santa Princess podcast, where snowflakes shimmer, tiaras sparkle, and kindness reigns. I'm your host, Shannon Cunningham, the author of The Santa Princess, the dreamer, and the big believer in magic all year round. Each episode will unwrap stories of holiday wonder, family traditions, and little acts of love that bring big joy. So grab some cocoa, cozy up, and let's step into a world where believing isn't just for kids, it's for everyone. Let the magic begin. This is the magic of July, and it's the world premiere episode of Believe, the Santa Princess podcast. I'm so excited that you're here. So welcome to the very first full episode. I'm Shannon, or Shan to my friends, and today we're going to talk about something that you might tilt your head at and look like a confused reindeer, right? Because Christmas in July, why? Why would Christmas in July exist? Well, you may have seen the Hallmark movies, and you could probably go to a retail store, I won't name them, but they probably already have Christmas items out and having Christmas in July. It's more than just a gimmick. It is. And it's more than just a chance to say, hey, buy this. And that's why I'm doing this podcast in July. Although you can buy the book if you want to, but it's more than that. It's a mid-year pause. And it's to reconnect with joy and wonder and the feeling of being a part of something magical. And we always feel that at Christmas time, right? Most of us do. A lot of us do. And that's why I wrote The Santa Princess. She's not your typical tiara-wearing royal. She's brave, she's kind, and she helps others. And she helps others just by more than just delivering toys with Santa. She delivers hope and hugs and happiness. And sometimes it's in the form of hot cocoa or sparkles. It's just something special. And if we can reconnect to that in July during the summer and think about something kind we can do, or even do it at the spur of the moment. There's just something extra special about celebrating Christmas in July. The Santa Princess would say in the North Pole, sun shines brightest because the magic needs a summer vacation. So let's imagine sipping lemonade under a string of lights, wrapping seashells instead of snow globes, and writing a wish list in our beach chairs. Yeah, it's not traditional, but it's magical. And sometimes the joy shows up when we least expect it. So that's what the Santa Princess reminds me of and reminds us all of. Its magic isn't a date on a calendar. It's a feeling that you can spark at any time. Speaking of sparkles and surprises, I have a special gift for you. Now, you may have heard it, but I want you to really listen to it this time. It's brand new. I just let it out of Santa's bag a couple of weeks ago, but I want you to hear it with me again and pretend it's the first time we're hearing it. It's the original Santa Princess Christmas Carol, because every Christmas story needs a Christmas carol, right? It's playful, it's heartwarming, and it's filled with that magical feeling that we all need, especially in July. So get ready, because here it is, the Santa Princess Christmas Carol. Play a snippet.
In a land of snow and starlight near the top of all
Mary's
the world
magic.
lived a kind and joyful princess, Santa's bright and loving girl. She didn't build the wagons or string the dolls with care, but her heart was filled with magic. She shared it everywhere.
What did you think? I hope it brought a smile to your face and maybe even made your toes tap. Maybe got up and did a twirl or two. If you loved it, share it with a friend or post a video of your little one singing along with it and tag me. I would love to see it. You can find it on YouTube. You can also find it on the Santa Princess website at santaprincess.com, thesantaprincess.com/carol, C-A-R-O-L. The truth is, we don't have to wait for Christmas to feel wonder, to listen to Christmas carols, to create our own Christmas carols. We can create magic whenever we need it. And sometimes July is when we need it the most. This week, I'm going to challenge you to find one small way to spread joy. Send a surprise card to somebody, bake some cookies, give a compliment. Let's make the rest of July a little bit more magical together. Thank you so much for listening to the Santa Princess podcast. Until next time, where we talk about more joy, magic, and kindness, stay kind, stay curious, and always believe in your own sparkle. Thank you for joining me on today's magical adventure. Don't forget, the world needs your sparkle, your kindness, and your heart. If you loved today's episode, be sure to subscribe and leave a little love with a review. It helps more believers find us. And if you haven't already, you can grab your very own copy of The Santa Princess, the children's book that started it all. Just go to www.thesantaprincess.com or find it on Amazon. Until next time, keep believing and keep spreading that magic.